research instrument. These are the theories that comprise the framework of the study. First, instrument. So this study used mixed method of research. Quantitative methods was used through checklist, checklist, frequency, and self-report. Was used to obtain the profile, the practices and performance, and the attitude of the members. While qualitative design is in the form of interview. Statistical treatment of data. So for the demographic profile, we use frequency and percentage. For the attitude, we use weighted mean, and for the correlation, we use Pearson R. And for the findings, let's start with teacher's profile. So this is in contrast to the current denomination of female workforce in the education sector, accounting to 73%. That's according to UNESCO 2013. As Howe found out, more men tend to be hired for band education and administration, while women music educators outnumbered men in teaching general music and private lessons. In terms of educational attainment, majority of the respondents of teachers are master's degree holders. In terms of kind of ensemble, majority are drum and lyre. So please take note that some teachers here are handling more than one ensemble. The others is comprised of chorale and other band, such as the combo type. Next is the number of handling years. So majority of them are new, they are novice for the handling of ensemble. And in terms of teaching load, majority of teachers teach MAPE along with other subjects. When we say MAPE, MAPE is composed of music, arts, and health. So it touches the music part. Okay. When we say MAPE plus, for example, they teach MAPE, and at the same time, they teach science or other subjects in school. Next, let's move on with the students' profile. So as shown, there were more male students responded comprised of 51.09% than females comprised 48.91%. The disparity between male and female instrumental ensemble is apparently insignificant as compared to the huge disproportion presented by most studies, cited by Moses and Anderson, Heuser, Hallam, and Bohonsaki. In terms of grade level,